Oh shit, what up guys? It's Chad Pickle back here and we're back at it again with the great game. Yee. Oh shit, it's muted. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, here comes the beat. Oh shit. Let's fucking go baby, let's go. Oh my god. Oh shit, let's go. We're gonna win this, yeah. Easy game. Oh shit, fuck you kid. Go, 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 used to be used, yeah. Mm, yeah, 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 go, go, yeah, the best game ever, yeah. Oh shit, we're second, yeah, yeah. We're about to pass, oh yeah, we are first, yeah, we are first, easy game. Yeah, easy game. Let's fucking go, boy. Let's go, oh my god. Swag. Oh my god, swagging into the goal. That's perfect. That's just the money. Oh my god. That's perfect. That's perfect. Ooh. Oh shit, what up guys? Back into the game with the upgrades. What do we need? Yeah. Oh shit, speed. Of course we're gonna buy that first. Yeah, yeah.